Alright guys, so dito naman tayo ngayon sa ating little therapy of organizing things. Ooh, calendar? I need to... kailangan ko maglagay ng stickers. So paano ko malalaman kung saan ko lalagay? Is there like a clue, something? Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, let's see. Hula lang tayo pero... Oh my. This is getting difficult. I don't see the... I'll just try it. I don't get it. Hindi ko siya maintindihan kung saan. Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Oh, no. 1, 2. So 6. Mhm. That's weird. I don't get it. I don't get how. Wala bang clue? Saan ko kinuha tong star na to? Dito? Let's see. Is there like so random lang siya. Paano ko malalaman? Very random. I don't get it. Maybe hindi ko siya alam. So nakita kong pattern is like diagonal shape sila. So let's see. I'm thinking about putting some stuff here. And then ito for this maybe. Or here. In relation to that. Maybe here? Or here? Or here? Or here? In relation to that. And then that for this, and this, and this, and this. There should be something here. I think. Or here. Oh, like that. So it should be maybe here. Or here. Or here. Or here. You see how that goes there? Okay. So that thing might goes here. Oh. So Wala lang tayo actually. Nanghula na lang ako talaga. How is that? Nanghula na lang ako. I'm just gonna try lahat ng square dito. But it's not working. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15? Oh my god, this is so difficult. Oh, I got a star. That's weird. That was difficult.